I welcome you again to the Simplifiers Maths class. Now today we're asked to integrate this. Now look at this, we're integrating x exponent x dx. Look at this, two dissimilar variables, product of them. Take note, whenever you're asked to integrate a product of two dissimilar variables, what you do is you integrate by parts. You integrate by parts. I hope you got that. Now that means that my integral x ex, I'm going to change this to become what? Integral of u dv. And if I break this up, the formula for integration by parts is a product of uv minus integral v du. Now please take note, students often ask me, oh, should I just choose my x as my u and my dv as the other one? No, I give you this rule. Remember your liats. Always remember this. Your L represents the logarithm. It can be the log or it can be your ln. Remember, log of this E is my ln, right? So this L can either be log or your ln. This is the inverse of your trigonometric function. So here I can have arcsine, I can have arctangent, I can have arccosine, and the rest. This is my algebraic expression. Something like your x squared, your x cubed, and the rest of them. Are you with me? Now your t, this is the real trigonometric function now. Your sine, your cosine, your tangent. Why my e is my exponent, your exponent. Let's say e to the power of x. Now look at this. Remember that the formula is u dv. I follow this alphabetically. U comes before this. So when you look at this, the first one you see will serve as your u, and the next will serve as the v. Let's try this out. For x ex, look at this. I have x, an algebraic function, which is algebraic. I have e to the x, an exponent. So that means the algebraic function comes before the exponent, meaning that my x will represent u, while ex will represent what? Dv. So my u is x, while my dv is equals to what? Exponent of x. And naturally, the one that is the v will take the dx, naturally. Now, look at this. So from this formula, what do I need? I have u. I don't have v. So let me get v. How do I get v from dv? Just integrate it. And if I integrate e to x, that will give me e to x. So I have u, I have v, I have v, I don't have du. So I come back here. I need to get the differential of u. I have to differentiate u. And when I differentiate this, x will give me what? 1 dx. So you see, I have everything I need. All I need to do is take this, insert it into this, and you're good to go. So my uv minus integral of v du will give me what? U is what? X times v is, where are you? Where is my v? Okay, my v is exponent of x minus integral of v is exponent of x times du is what? Is 1. So if I work this out, that will give me x e to the x minus, if you integrate your exponent x, it will still give you exponent x. So that will be exponent x. This is my answer, but don't forget the simplifier is here with you. Don't forget to put your plus c. Remember, because this question does not have limits, no upper and lower limits. So when you solve, don't forget to put your constant. So finally, I can leave my answer this way, or I can prove to them that I am good with my simplification. What is common here? E to the power of x is common. I have x minus 1 plus c as my answer. So this is the answer in integrating this. I hope you understand. Stay with the simplifier. I will see you in the next video.